When is World Environment Day celebrated every year? Option C 5 June. Recently, two wetlands of which state have been included in the list of Ramsar sites? Option A Bihar. Iga Swiatek, who won the French Open 2024 women's title, is a player of which country? Option D Poland. Who has been named as the next chief of the Indian Army? Option D Upendra Dwivedi. What is India's rank in the Global Gender Gap Index 2024? Option D 129. Carlos Alcaraz is a player of which country who has won the title of French Open 2024? Option A Spain. Where is the G7 summit being held? Option D Italy. What is the rank of India in the recently released Environmental Performance Index 2024? Option C 176. In which country is the BRICS Games 2024 being organized? Option B Russia. Who has been recently appointed as the new Secretary of TRAI? Option C Atul Kumar Chaudhary. Who has recently released the World Investment Report 2024? Option B UNTAD. Who has been appointed the leader of the House in Rajya Sabha? Option C Jagat Prakash Nadda. Which country will host the first multinational air exercise Taranga Shakti? Option A India. What is the theme of the International Yoga Day 2024? Option B Yoga for Self and Society. Which edition of GIMAX exercise is being held in the year 2024? Option C 8th. The Chang'e 6 mission was recently sent to the moon by which country? In which state has Prem Singh Tamang recently taken oath as the Chief Minister? Option D Sikkim. Who has been sworn in as the new Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh? Option A Chandrababu Naidu. Who has been sworn in as the new Chief Minister of Odisha? Option B Mohan Charan Maji. Who has been awarded the Pen Painter Prize 2024? Option D Arundhati Roy. Where will the Global India AI Summit 2024 be planned? Option A New Delhi. Where is the Shanghai Cooperation Organization Summit 2024 being organized? Option B Astana. Sheel Nagu has been appointed as the new Chief Justice of which High Court? Option B, Punjab and Haryana High Court. Who has been sworn in as the Chief Minister of Jharkhand again? Option A, Hemant Soren. Who was recently awarded France's highest civilian honor? Option B, Roshni Nadar Malhotra. Recently, PM Modi was awarded the highest civilian honor of which country? Option A, Russia. Who has been appointed the new head coach of the Indian men's cricket team? Option D, Gautam Gambhir. Where was the NATO summit held recently? Option C, Washington. When is World Population Day celebrated every year? Option C, 11 July. Who recently won the Wimbledon Women's Singles 2024 title? Option D, Barbora Krejcikova. What is India's rank in the recently released Global Passport Index? Option B, 82nd. Who will be honored by IFM for its contribution to Indian cinema? Option D, Ram Charan. Which medal did Manu Bhaker win in the women's 10-meter air pistol event at Paris Olympics 2024? Option C, bronze medal. Who has been appointed as the new governor of Jharkhand? Option C, Santosh Kumar Gangwar. Where is the Women's Asia's Cup 2024 being organized? Option C, Sri Lanka. Who has been elected as the new chairman of the Union Public Service Commission? Option A, Preeti Sudan. Who has recently taken oath as the new governor of Punjab and Chandigarh administrator? Option C, Gulab Chand Kataria. Who recently took over as the chairman and managing director of SIDBI? Option B, Manoj Mittal. Who took oath as the new governor of Assam? Option B, Lakshman Prasad Acharya. Who has been recently appointed as the Director General of Medical Services? Option B, Sadhana Saxena Nair. Which country is hosting the multinational air exercise Tiranga Shakti 2024? Option A, India. What is India's rank in the Global Agriculture Export Index? Option B, 8th. What is the rank of India in Travel and Tourism Development Index 2024? Option D, 39th. Which player won gold in the men's singles tennis at Paris Olympics 2024? Option A, Novak Djokovic. President Draupadi Murmu was recently awarded the highest civilian honor of which country? Option B, Fiji. Who has been sworn in as the Lieutenant Governor of Pondicherry? Option C, K. Kailash Nathan. Which medal did Neeraj Chopra win in Paris Olympics 2024? Option B, silver. Which country won most medals in Paris Olympics 2024? Option A, USA. What position did India stand at in the medal tally in Paris Olympics 2024? Option B, 71st. Who has been appointed the new head coach of the Indian junior men's hockey team? Option C, PR Sarijesh. Who has recently been appointed as the next Home Secretary of country? Option D, Govind Mohan. Joint military training exercise Mitra Shakti is being organized between India and which country? Option A, Sri Lanka. Who has been appointed as the chairman designate of NASSCOM? Option B, Rajesh Nambiar. Which country will host the ICC Women's T20 World Cup 2024? Option A, UAE. Who has become the new chairman of the International Cricket Council? Option C, Jay Shah. Who won the Under 20 SAF Football Championship title? Option B, Bangladesh. When is National Sports Day celebrated every year? Option C, 29 August. How many new Ramsar sites were declared recently in India? Option A, 3. Which country will host the ICC World Test Championship final in the year 2025? Option C, England. With which country is the Indian Navy conducting the Varuna exercise? Option C, France. Who was recently appointed as the selector of the men's cricket team by BCCI? Option C, Ajay Ratra. Which award did Indian club thrower Dharamveer win at the Paris 2024 Paralympics? Option A, gold. Who is the first Indian to be elected president of Asian Olympic Council? Option A, Ranveer Singh. Who has been appointed as the new Finance Secretary of India? Option D, Tohin Kant Pandey. Who won the women's singles title of the US Open 2024 Championship Trophy? Option C, Ariana Sambleka. How many medals did India win in total at the Paris 2024 Paralympic Games? Option C, 29. Where is the Commonwealth Chess Championship 2024 being held? Option D, Sri Lanka. Recently, Arun Goel was appointed as the next ambassador of India to which country? Option D, Croatia. Where will the All India Official Language Conference 2024 be organized? Option in New Delhi. The joint military exercise Al-Najah will be held between India and which country? Option D, Oman. World Ozone Day is celebrated every year on. Option C, 16 September. Who has become the new Chief Minister of Delhi? Option C, Atishi. Who was recently appointed as a Director General of Shastra Seema Bal? Option D, Amrit Mohan Prasad. Who won the Miss India Worldwide 2024 title? Option A, Dhruvi Patel. Who was recently appointed as the new Director General of Narcotics Control Bureau? Option A, Anurag Garg. Where will the Commonwealth Games 2026 be held? Option C, Glasgow. Which film has been selected as India's official entry for Oscars 2025? Option A, Lapata Ladies. Shigeru Ishiba has been chosen as the next Prime Minister of which country? Option B, Japan. Which actor was recently honored with the Dadasaheb Phalke Award? Option D, Mithun Chakrabarti. Where will the IFA Awards be held in the year 2025? Option C, Jaipur. Exercise Kazin recently started between India and which country? Option B, Kazakhstan. For which discovery were Victor Ambros and Gary Wukon awarded the 2024 Nobel Prize in Medicine? Option B, discovery of miRNA. Who was recently appointed as the next ambassador of India to France? Option A, Sanjeev Kumar Singla. Who has recently been appointed the head coach of the Sri Lankan cricket team? Option C, Sanath Jayasuriya. Where will the 21st Asian India Summit be held? Option B, Laos. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of Tata Trust? Option C, Newell Tata. The Nobel Prize for Literature 2024 was awarded to Han Kang. She is from which country? Option C, South Korea. Which country will host the ISSF Junior World Cup 2025? Option B, India. Who will take oath as the new Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir? Option B, Omar Abdullah. Who has been sworn in as the new Chief Minister of Haryana? Option B, Nayab Singh Saini. Who won silver medal in ISSF World Cup men's final? Option C, Vivan Kapoor. Whose name has been recommended as the next Chief Justice of India? Option C, Justice Sanjeev Khanna. Who has been appointed the new president of the Indian Chamber of Commerce? Option D, Abu Daya Jindal. Which country is hosting the BRICS Summit 2024? Option B, Russia. Who hosted the Leadership Summit 2024? Option A, IIT Guwahati. Exercise Simbex is recently conducted between India and which country? Option B, Singapore. Who has been recently appointed as the MD and CEO of Punjab National Bank? Option A, Ashok Chandra. Who is a female cricketer who has scored the most centuries for India in ODI cricket? Option C, Smriti Mandhana. Who represented India in the 23rd SCO meeting? Option B, S. Jaishankar. India's first analog space mission has been launched at which place? Option C, Leh Ladakh. Where is the Under 23 Wrestling World Championship 2024 being organized? Option D, Tirana. Which bank was recently declared the best bank of India? Option A, State Bank of India. Who has been elected the president of the International Solar Alliance? Option A, India. Duma Boko has been elected president of which country? Option D, Botswana. Where is the first Asian Buddhist Summit being held? Option C, New Delhi. Who has won as the 47th President of the US? Option A, Donald Trump. Shigeru Ishiba has recently been elected the Prime Minister of which country? Option B, Japan. Who has become the new Prime Minister of Mauritius? Option C, Dr. Naveen Ramgoolam. Where is the United Nations Climate Change Conference COP29 being held? Option B, Baku. Who has been appointed the new chairman of the Indian Oil Corporation? Option B, Arvinder Singh Saini. Who among the following has won the Booker Prize for Fiction? Option C, Samantha Harvey. Which country recently honored PM Modi with the highest civilian honor? Option D, Nigeria. Who was recently appointed as the new Comptroller and Auditor General CAG of the country? Option D, Sanjay Murthy. Which country has recently become a full member of ISA? Option D, Armenia. When is Constitution Day celebrated every year in India? Option C, 26 November. What is India's rank in the Network Readiness Index 2024? Option B, 49th. Who won the title of Women's Asian Hockey Championships Trophy 2024? Option B, India. Where is the 856th Tiger Reserve of India? Option B, Guru Khasidas Taimur Pingla Tiger Reserve. Recently, Garuda Shakti exercise was conducted between India and which country? Option D, Indonesia. Who has been elected the president of the International Hockey Federation? Option C, Tayyab Ikram.